Best deals.
1. Iron pan. The naturally non-stick surface provides easy food release and effortless cleaning without the need for coatings that can chip over time. Features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for a secure, comfortable grip. Whether searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or preparing pancakes and eggs, the pan is perfectly sized for most stovetop cooking tasks. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Oats jar is a unique way to store and enjoy foods such as yogurt, cereal and overnight oats whether at home or on the go, with a wide opening making it easy to eat from, as well as a durable stainless steel lid which doubles as a measuring cup, a silicone sealing disc, and an innovative silicone band with a stainless steel spoon, perfect for storing medium portions of fruit and on-the-go breakfast items, made from high-quality borosilicate glass with pristine clarity and consistent thickness ensuring no weak points. This jar is dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Trash bin. Made from durable grade stainless steel, and comes with a tight seal lid to block odors. Rust-proof, waterproof, and easy to clean. Flip the lid up or slide it down, designed for flexibility and ease, no matter your kitchen setup. Clean white color with a smooth matte texture adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Fry pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron fry pan is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like paneer tikka, chicken curry, pasta, stir-fried veggies and many more. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Sink organizer. Keep your sink area clutter-free with dedicated sections for soap dispensers, sponges, scrubbers, and an integrated towel holder. The detachable bottom tray collects excess water and prevents countertop mess, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Steamer. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. The ergonomically designed body of the idli cooker enables heat distribution evenly. Aesthetically designed for enhanced convenience. Faster cooking compared to aluminium idli cooker. Perfect for daily use and urban lifestyle. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Shoe washing bag. Featuring an upgraded side zipper, this shoe laundry bag allows for easy shoe placement while ensuring a secure wash. The invisible zipper design prevents loosening during cycles, and the elastic band tuck keeps it from snagging or scratching other clothes. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Chakla Belan set. Useful and handy for kitchen use purpose, good roti maker. Marble round shaped chakla to cook or make roti, paratha and chapati. Carved from a single piece of white marble rock, have a ring base for more stability while making rotis. Natural and very durable with anti-skid heavy base. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Funnels. Just put it on bottles or cans, then pouring fresh fruit jars, delicious coffee, sweet candy etc. The 1.65 inches wide mouth is large enough for transferring most food. Suitable for various containers, mason jars, they will meet all filling needs for your family, makes your kitchen and work areas will remain clean and tidy. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Crinkle knife. Crafted with high-grade stainless steel blade and non-stick black coating for smooth, precise cutting. Unique crinkle blade design creates attractive ripple slices for potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, fruits, cheese, and more. Anti-slip handle ensures safe and comfortable cutting, reducing strain during long cooking sessions. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Spin mop. A perfect blend of style and comfort, this popular cleaning tool comes with stainless steel wringer, big wheels, and a puller handle to help you clean every area in the house effortlessly. Comes with 2 PCS big wheels and puller to easily carry the bucket around the house. Makes home cleaning effortless and easy. Lightweight and adjustable stainless steel mop handle reaches corner of the house, like under the table, below the bed, very easily. The outlet carries out easy drainage of dirty water from the bucket without using your hands. Microfiber material with its unique feature of deep cleaning helps lift and trap fine dust. Microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Glass casserole is crafted from high quality, lead-free tempered glass, ensuring even heat distribution and preventing harmful chemicals from leaching into your food. Enjoy healthier, more flavorful meals every time. Designed with your convenience in mind, the casserole features easy grip handles and a secure lid. It's oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe for effortless cooking and cleaning. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Soap container. The unique drawer draining board design of the soap case is not only easy to reach, but also collects water at the bottom, which keeps the soap dry at all times. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Citrus peeler. Create pith-free orange strips for a classic old-fashioned, zest lime for your favorite pie, and give sides and mains a little extra zing with the peeler. We took the best features from our original, iconic peeler and incorporated them into a new compact design made for fatigue-free peeling. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Lunch box. Comes with a split partition design, allowing you to separate different foods like fruits, salads, and main dishes. This design helps you maintain a nutritious, balanced diet by avoiding flavor mixing, keeping your meals fresh, clean, and perfectly organized. Box is BPA-free and completely safe for direct food contact. It's durable, reusable, and designed for long-term use. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Shelf. Can be used to organize almost all of your bathroom accessories like shampoo, shower gel, lotion and other toiletries. Can be a perfect shower caddy with no effect of water on the product or adhesiveness of sticker. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Hand wash dispensers. Features an infrared sensor that automatically releases foam when hands are detected. This supports hygiene during use as liquid soap dispenser for wash basin. An 800 mAh rechargeable battery allows operation for up to 3 months. It charges via USB, suitable for use as a bathroom soap dispenser or liquid soap dispenser for daily hand washing needs. This liquid automatic hand wash dispenser is made from ABS plastic for regular use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Electric kettle. Is made from premium food-grade silicone that ensures your drinks are free from harmful substances. Compact and lightweight, our kettle easily fits in your bag, making it ideal for days out with the kids, work, or travel. Prepare your favorite hot beverages within 5 minutes, saving you precious time in your busy day. Just unfold, fill with water, plug into a socket, and switch it on. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. The compact design of our kettle means it takes up minimal space, leaving plenty of room for your children's essentials and your personal items. It's a must-have for all busy moms on the move. Sleek, lightweight kettle fits neatly into your bag and provides hot beverages or meals anytime, anywhere. It's the perfect ally for the super mom that you are. The food-grade silicone material makes it incredibly easy to clean after use. With a 600 ml capacity, it's perfect for serving hot drinks or meals for you and your little ones. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Basket. A strong, stylish, beautiful and sturdy which helps you in your daily life. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Organizer. The durable and premium material make this storage basket last a good long time. With the 2 handles on both sides, easy to move and take away, with foldable design, can be easily folded for space-saving storage when not in use. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Microwave cooking set. Stackable, space-saving design lets you prepare an entire meal in minutes, combining practicality with international innovation. Integrated handles in both the pot and lid ensure safe, easy removal from the microwave, making this one of the smartest kitchen tools for cooking. The lid doubles as a base for the griddle and steamer, or can serve as a standalone microwave-safe plate, versatile and efficient for modern kitchens. A must-have among silicone kitchen items and kitchen tools. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Glass bottle. Each airtight glass bottle is equipped with a durable rubber seal and a secure flip cap glass bottle closure to keep beverages fresh and prevent spills. Also serves as an airtight glass bottle solution for long-term storage. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Peeler. Includes Y-shape and straight peeler for better control and efficient peeling of fruits and vegetables in kitchen use. High-precision blades ensure smooth peeling of potato, carrot, cucumber and apple with minimal waste, making it a reliable kitchen peeler. Works as vegetable peeler, fruit peeler and potato peeler, ideal for everyday cooking and fast food preparation. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Mini electric chopper. USB rechargeable electric food chopper allows you to quickly and easily chop fruits and vegetables, making it simpler than ever for busy moms to incorporate fresh, nutritious ingredients into their family's meals. With a powerful 45W motor and sharp stainless steel blades, a mini USB chopper processes ingredients in just 30 to 60 seconds. Spend less time in the kitchen and more quality time with your family. Mini electric chopper is incredibly easy to use, just add your ingredients, secure the lid, and press the on button. Minimize your meal prep stress and enjoy more time with your loved ones. Mini food chopper is lightweight and travel friendly, fitting seamlessly into your busy mom lifestyle. Take it on the go for picnics, vacations, or even to work for quick and healthy snacks. Rechargeable chopper is designed with busy moms in mind. The bowl and blades are top rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time with your family. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Fry pan. Is ideal for sautéing and stir-frying foods using minimal quantities of oil. It can also be used for deep frying and for cooking gravies, curries and sauces. It is offered with elegant, comfortable plastic handles. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Bags. Made of polyamide polyethylene, the air vacuum packing bag ensure the safety of stored items. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Sandwich toaster. Equipped with an 800-watt heating element that ensures grilling, giving you perfectly crisp sandwiches in minutes. Durable die-cast non-stick heating plates allow easy release of food, require minimal oil for healthier sandwiches. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Egg separator. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic, this egg separator ensures safety and reliability in your kitchen. The material is durable, easy to clean. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Electric coffee grinder. Equipped with high-quality 304 stainless steel blades and the high speed of 38,000 rpm per minute strong motor ensure fast and even grinding, and better to maintain the original rich aroma and grease of coffee beans. The electric grinder not only a coffee bean grinder but also designed to grind all kinds of spices, pepper, seeds. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Soup maker. 6-in-1 multifunctional soup maker helps to make vegetable juices, milkshakes, smoothies, milks, cocktails, baby purees and more. 6 preset cooking functions: smooth, chunky, compote, jam, reheat, blend. Automatic blending and heating. High-speed extraction blade with stainless steel blades makes fresh soup within 25 minutes whenever you want. Its smart processing system extracts the full nutritional value from each grain, ensuring that no vitamin or mineral ever goes to waste. Comes with 900 watts powerful copper motor. One-touch operation. Simply add your ingredients, then press the start button. Eliminates the need for multiple kitchen tools by combining both cooking and blending into one streamlined process. Whether you are a busy professional requiring quick, healthy meal solutions, or a culinary enthusiast looking to expand your recipe repertoire, this appliance offers convenience, durability. At the core of this exceptional performance is the appliance's motor, a heavy-duty, 900-watt copper motor. In the realm of small kitchen appliances, the quality and material of the motor dictate the device's lifespan, efficiency, and overall performance. Copper motors are widely regarded as superior to their aluminum counterparts for several distinct reasons. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Cabinet Organizer. Clear design allows you to quickly find the items you want, and elegant design to match the decoration of any kitchen. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Meatball Clip. Made of stainless steel, strong and durable. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Coffee Maker. Elevate your coffee experience with the Sipology Vintage French Press. Crafted meticulously from premium materials and designed for optimal brewing performance. Product link is given in the 33rd link.